Dear students, today we are going to discuss about it, crossing over. What is crossing over? The interchange of chromosomal parts between non-sister chromatid of a homologous pair of chromosome resulting recombinant gene. Interchange of chromosomal parts of non-sister chromatid of a homologous pair of chromosome resulting recombinant gene. This theory was proposed discovered by D.H. Morgan. It occurs during meiosis or gametogenesis. Especially crossing over occur meiosis 1. In this meiosis 1, it is occur in Pachytene stage. So it's occur between non-sister chromatid of the homologous chromosomes. The number of crossing over depend upon the length of chromosomes. If it is longer length, will higher percentage. When it is widely closer length, which is lower percentage, which is occur. So this is a chromosome. It's homologous pair of non-sister chromatid. So when we cross over, we'll get the recombinant chromatid, which will get it. Okay. Next, types of crossing over. So based upon the number of chiasmata formed, crossing over may be classified into three types: single crossing over, double crossing over, and multiple crossing over. Based upon the crossing over chiasmata formed, so the crossing over classified into three types: single crossing over, double crossing over, and multiple crossing. What is single crossing over? When there is a single crossing over in homologous chromosome, only one chiasmata formed. Only one chromatid of each chromosome is involved in the single crossing over. Only one chiasmata formed, only one chromatid of chromosome is involved in the crossing over. It is called as single crossing over. Look at these pictures. There is no crossing over, it is occur. Here it's among these four place which is in between, the middle one which is crossed. Okay, this is called a single cross over. Next one is they have a double crossing over. Two place they are crossing over. Then the double crossing over, it is also divided into three category: 2-strand crossing over, 3-strand crossing over, and 4-strand crossing. What is 2-strand crossing over? Among these two homologous pair which is crossed, which is also called 2-strand crossing over. Here more than a 2 or 3 pair when we cross, which is called 3-strand crossing over. So in 4-strand, okay, which is crossed, which is also called 4-strand double crossing over. So more than 4 places when we cross, which is called multiple crossing over. Next we move to this double crossing over. When there are two crossing over in a homologous chromosomes, here two chiasmatas formed. The chiasmata may be formed between the same chromatid or between the different chromatids. Two chiasmata formed. Whatever chiasmata formed, either they are situated in the same chromatid or in a different chromatid. 2 or 3 allele, okay, 2 or 3 or the 4 chromatid of homologous chromosome may be involved in the process of double crossing. Either 2 or 3 or 4 chromatid of homologous chromosome may be involved in the double crossing over. So they are divided into 2-strand double crossing over, 3-strand double crossing over, and 4-strand double crossing over. In this type, 2 non-sister chromatids are involved, both crossing over points. 2 chromatids are non-crossing over, maintain parental combination gene. Next, 3-strand double crossing over. In this types, 3 chromatids which is involved in the formation of chiasmata. 3 chromatid exchange their parts and 1 chromatid are non-crossover. 4-strand crossing over. In this type, all 4 chromatids are involved in the formation of chiasmata. Next type is multiple crossing over. In this type, more than 2 chiasmata are formed. Multiple crossing over rare because of interference in crossing over. when there are many cross over in homologous chromosome. This is called as multiple crossing over. More than a 2 chiasmata form. Okay. Now, so what is the significance of this crossing over? So it is linear arrangement of gene which is occur. It is illustrate linear arrangement of gene in the chromosomes. It helpful for chromosome map. So the frequency of crossing over very useful in construct in chromosome maps. And this crossing over it helpful in recombination. Crossing over it produce new combination of gene, and also variation crossing over leads to genetic variation, which is the raw material used for evolution. So it is used in the linear arrangement of gene, constructing of chromosome maps, recombination and variation in the evolutions. Next, I want to discuss about it complete and incomplete linkage. The complete linkage, the chromosome closely located. Incomplete linkage, the chromosome widely located in the chromosomes. Okay. And second point is, do not separate, they are remain always in the inherited together. So here incomplete linkage, their gene may be separate at the time of crossing over. And third category is the phenomenon inheritance completely linked gene. It is called as complete genes. It is incompletely linked inheritance. Complete gene, there is no crossing over occur. So incomplete gene, the crossing over occur. So here we'll get it 50-50. Here we'll get it 4 different type of gametes which will occur. New combination will get it in the incomplete linkage. So complete linkage we will discover male Drosophila. Incomplete we discovered in female Drosophila. So now that's one more thing is, so complete and incomplete. No crossing over occur between the gene and the gene transmitted intact. Here the gene undergo crossing over some extent in the time of gamete formations. It's lead to parental characters. No parent other than parent character will not produce. Here introduce new recombinant progeny, and addition parental or character also will get it regarding complete and incomplete linkage. Next, what is the difference between this linkage and crossing over? Tendency of chromosome remain together and passed to next generation. It is called linkage. It is more parental types. Its strength linkage between two genes increase if they are close to them, maintain newly improved variety. Crossing over, exchange of gene or chromosomal part, break established in the linkage format new linkage. Produce recombinant things, recombination. Frequency of crossing over between two genes decrease if they are closed. It's a source of variation for producing new variety. Now I'll tell you what is difference between linkage and crossing over. It's lead to separation. It's keep genes together, linkage. It involve exchange of segment between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. It involve individual chromosome in linkage. The frequency of crossing over can exceed 50%. Here number of linkage group can never more than a haploid chromosome number. Increase the variability, it reduce the variability which is occur in the linkage. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you friends.